Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm here with another Bead Box Bargains little haul, and I didn't have a coupon or anything, but I just want to let you know I decided to subscribe to the Bargain Bead Box monthly jewelry box subscription again. So I should be getting my first one in November. And if you are interested in getting one, I have a link that if I get at least 3 people signed up under that link, I can possibly get 1 box free. So I've already got 1 person signed up. So that's wonderful. Thank you so much. And 2 more to go. So if you're interested, it's $17.95 a month. I don't have like a $2 off coupon because I'm new back at this again. Maybe someday I'll do that. I don't know yet. But anyway, I just thought I'd let you know if you want to help me get a free month. I think I signed up for either 3 or 6 months, but maybe one of those months would be free. So let me know. And go ahead and click the link. I also put the link on my Facebook group, and I think my Dahlia Designs page, or maybe my personal page on Facebook. I can't remember. It's been about a week since I did that. I actually think they have fairly good quality and good descriptions of what they have on their website. You know, like they tell you if stuff is dyed or they think it's been dyed, that kind of thing. They tell you that their metals are lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, that kind of thing when they're plated. So I really like that about them too. Not all companies do that. So without further hesitation, let me show you what I got. I always go on and look every now and then for new things, but I love bead caps, and it's hard to find reasonably priced nice bead caps here in the States anyway. And yeah, and that tell you things. So these are called 40-piece 8mm open scalloped bead caps. These are what they look like. And I have them upside down here and right side up here, so I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit blurry, sorry. Let me turn the light down. Maybe that's going to be way too dark. That's actually better though for seeing, right? Seeing the pieces. So anyway, that is it, and they are 99 cents for 40 pieces. I got 2 because I use a lot of bead caps usually, and these are 8mm is nice. You can use them on an 8mm bead, or maybe even a 6mm bead I think would fit in these nicely, and possibly a 10. It just depends on the look you're going for. On a 10mm that would stand up pretty high. But that might be a look we're going for at one point, right? I'm going to turn this back up just a notch to get rid of some of the shadows. Okay, the next thing I got, now you saw me get these if you watched my last haul or the one before. You saw me get these in Cherry Cola Float color. These are the 4.7-inch strand, 20-piece, check press, 6mm check press glass Fizzy Fizz Gig bumpy spacer bead in turquoise / sea green. Aren't they gorgeous? Can you see those colors? They are turquoise but with a splash of the green throughout. So really nice for beachy ocean themes. And I discovered putting these together, look how nicely they fit together. So these might even be good in some kind of bead weaving. I'll have to play with that and see when I have a chance. I got 3 of those. They were $1 a strand. And then I also got some little heart beads. Now they had classic red. These were all, actually the classic reds were $1.29. I was a little shocked when I got them. It says 6mm, but for some reason these look smaller to me than 6mm, but they're 6mm long. Yeah. Anyway, I got 2 in classic red at $1.29 a strand. There's 20 pieces on it. So, you know, Valentine's Day is not that far away, right? And then, here's the thing. Then I got transparent red swirl. I got 2 of those. And I was going to get 2 or more of this pink opal. Now these transparent red ones, they were $1.09 a strand. The pink opal and the red were opaque, and they were $1.29. I had like 3 or so of these in my cart, and when I went to check out, it said there was only 1 available. So I got the 1, but yeah, they went that quickly, guys. So I really wanted the pink more than anything. They don't go with you. You know, these 2 could actually go together or something. I wouldn't probably do that, but yeah. So I got those. And the next thing that I had was these glass melon beads. Now I had gotten 10mm ones. These are 6mm, and they're called Festive Mix. I wasn't too sure about these when I bought them. They're like green with a little splash of like a dark burgundy red kind of thing, but it almost looks rust colored. But I actually really like these. I think they'll be great for the holidays, or any with any natural stones that are, you know, in greens or have some browns or reds in them. I'll see what I can come up with. I was thinking holidays, and they're called Festive Mix. So you get 20 pieces on each. I just got 2 of these. They were $1.29 a strand. And like I said, I didn't have any sale prices on these. So, and then the next thing I got, now I have to tell you, I got these bellflower beads, or flower beads they call them, 7 by 5mm. They're smaller than what I got before. The first one is called Chalk White Vintage Rose. And the other pack I got is called just White Rose, Chalk White Rose. And here's the difference. I think these are vintage, and I think these are rose, but I couldn't swear to it. So one is slightly more pink, and the other one has more, it almost looks more tan with just a little bit of, so I'm thinking that these are the rose. I have to go look at the website and see if I can see the pictures again. And tell. So I'm not sure which one to label what, but I'm gonna say these are vintage rose, which really more are just chalk white with a little tiny touch of, like, the rose is in the little lines in the bead kind of thing. I got 2 packs of each. They were 99 cents a piece. And you get 20 pieces per pack. So I have 40 of each of these. They're a little smaller, but I have it a little small for me to use like with my angels that I was going to do. But I have a different idea for these. If I ever get all to all my ideas, that would be something, huh? Okay, so then the next thing was Druke Beads. They're called Hollyberry. They're just that's the color. Druke Beads are round, and these are check round beads, basically pressed glass Druke round beads, Hollyberry. So it's a deep red, sort of a cross between a medium, you can see some of them are lighter, and a dark red, and they were 99 cents a strand, and I got 3 because I thought, again, they'd be nice for the holidays. Now I was sort of thinking that maybe they'd go with these, but not really, because this is more like a rusty shade of red on here versus this real bright red, so I don't think they go at all. This would maybe more go with like a turquoise, but not this the seafoam green and turquoise. Like a natural green turquoise, I think would look good with those. Anyway, okay. Okay, then I got some metal pieces. So I got 10 piece 19 by 10 filigree leaf charms for 99 cents each, and they are nice on both sides, and I like that because that way you can go, you know, if you want to do earrings, you can have them facing each other or facing opposite directions like that. If you have a single-sided, you can't. I really should have gotten 2 of these because these are really nice. I think they're beautiful. I really like those, that they're nice on both sides. You can't always tell from the pictures, but those are really nice. I may actually have to go back and get another pack of them. And then the next thing I got is a 4-piece pack, 23 by 20 wave pendant in antique silver. This one also you can use on either side. So, and I got that for, I have a project in mind for those. And they're really nice too. I might sound surprised because sometimes when you get these things, like I said, they're not nice on both sides, but these are definitely. So, all right. And then the next thing is Dragonfly Charms. Now, I had no business buying these because I probably have a bazillion dragonflies. These are single-sided. So if we were going to do something double-sided with these, you can't do it because their tails go the opposite way. So these will probably just be like on a charm bracelet or something, not probably for earrings, although I guess it doesn't, I mean, they're not bad on the back, they just don't have the detail. You'd have to make sure that they're front facing and their tails are all going to be going the same direction if you would do them for earrings. So I probably will only use them for like purse charms or chunky charms. That's the same thing. Or charm bracelets. But unfortunately I got 2 packs of those, so yeah. And they were 99 cents a pack. And then I got Seahorse Charms. And these are beautiful. I might have to get another pack of these because you get 4 23 by 20, no, 19, but I'm sorry. Where am I here? Oh, 4 23 by 10 Seahorse Charms, antique silver, 99 cents for 4. And they're really nice. I might have to get some of them too. So the leaves and the seahorses might end up getting another purchase if they have any left. I only got 1 of those. And then I got some swirled reindeer charms, 4 pieces in antique silver. Those were 89 cents for a pack of 4, and I got 2 of them. And they are double-sided also. Trying to see, well, the swirl is more on the front. No, it's on the back too. Those are double-sided, so you could do earrings with them facing each other or facing away from each other like that. Either way would be fine. And I just got I got 2 of those, so you could do earrings and charms with them. They're very nice also, but I already got 2 of those, so I don't think I need another one. And then Poinsettia charms, I did get 2 of these. They were 89 cents for 10 pieces. Let's see how these are. I don't think I could tell. Now these are double-sided, but one side is convex and the other is concave. So the concave to me would be the back, or you could put them concave. Actually, I think the convex is the back, because the poinsettia dots, the center of the flower, is there, you can see it has the little dots in the middle on the indented concave, I'm calling it, side, but not on the back, but it's finished on the back, so that's nice. So those are pretty. They make cute dangles for earrings or purse charms or whatever, and they come 10 pack. Antique silver poinsettia charms, 89 cents for 10. I got 2 of them. And then I got pressed glass leaf pendants. These are beautiful. They come only 2 to a pack, I think. No, 4 to a pack. They're 99 cents. They're like a pale blue glass with gold leafing on it, if you will. Leafing on the leaf. And let's see, the hole, is there a hole? These almost feel acrylic. It says pressed glass. Oh, the hole goes through the top, front to back. So they'd be on like a charm. They really feel acrylic, but it says pressed glass, light sapphire gold, 99 cents for 4 of those. they're really pretty. Now they all do face the same direction, so I think those would be more like for a necklace pendant. They're lightweight enough though, they could be used for earrings, excuse me. Okay, so the last thing I got were toggle clasps, and I really had no business getting these either, but you get 5 sets swirled side toggle clasps. So they sort of have a look, and they're double-sided, so that's nice. They're not real big, so they're great for bracelets, and they have a nice finished bar. It's a small bar. These would not be that these would not be good for a heavyweight necklace, a small necklace maybe. So you get 5 sets for 99 cents. Can't beat that. And they're not real heavy, but they're nicely finished. So yeah. All right, that is my my bead box bargains haul. US based in Tennessee, and they ship really pretty quickly. I have been happy with that. Sorry, my mat's moving here. So yeah, lots of pretty goodies here. Hearts and Fizzy Fizz gig bumpy spacer beads and Drukes and Melon beads and little flower beads again. And leaf beads. Loads of goodies for all. My shipping was $3.75, so it was $34.78 for all of that, which I think is pretty good. Plus they always give you a free gift, and I got the same bumpy spacer beads, which I'm really pleased with, because now I have, what, 20 of them, which would be enough to use in a bracelet or something. All right, everyone, I'm going to let you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll come back in November. I'll do an unboxing of the Bargain Bead Box monthly subscription kit, and then I'm going to try what a lot of the other jewelry makers on YouTube are doing now, which is make pieces with the contents of that box and then show you them, and that will be in addition to our Having Fun Making Jewelry collab on the 18th of each month. So yeah, 2 jewelry videos at least a month for now. We'll see how it goes. All right, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.